So in this video, I'm going to make the sounds in buzzer using an ASP8266 microcontroller. I integrated with an buzzer and a 4x4 matrix keypad. So from this two keys, if I am pressing these two keys means a single notes will come, a single note sound will become, and from 1 to 4, these three pins will play the sound in buzzer like a single note, and from 5 the sound will be in double notes. So two the buzzer sounds will be coming from, and 8 and this star pin, these two pins will play a 3 notes sound. So that will be a long sound. So this is the coding I have written. Buzzer pin I have defined in 16. So D0 on ESP8266. We are using ESP8266. So I connected it to D0. So this is the matrix keypad module. So then you can see that I am going to tools and selecting the board. I am using ESP8 Node MCU 12E module. So port also I have mentioned COM4. Now I am uploading this. Uploading means we are dumping the code into the board. So after uploading, we can listen to the music. Not music, it's a buzzer sound. After uploading, it will come as done uploading. That means we have dumped the code into the microcontroller board. So we are using an ESP8266. So it's getting uploading. While uploading, this kind of sound will come. This kind of noise will come. After uploading, the noise will get turned off in the buzzer. So you can see the noise is coming while it's uploading. After uploading, the noise is getting stopped. So I will press the key now. First key. It's a single note sound. Single note sound again. Single note sound only again. Now you will listen the double note while I'm pressing 5. Yeah, this is the double note sound. 7 also double note. See, now you can listen to the triple note, 3 note sound. Here in star. Yeah, it's a long sound, 3 note sound. And this is double note sound. Double, single sound, single. Yeah, this is the buzzer integrated with the 4x4 matrix keypad. Thank you.